Okay, so we are gonna need our crayons for writing. It's writing time, okay? Nope, don't turn off the microphones right now, honey. I am teaching. Afterwards, you can ask me a question, okay? I just want you to listen right now, okay? Because every single time you unmute, somebody else cannot hear me. Thank you. Crayons. Pencil. Transportation coloring book. I gave everybody all these supplies. Everybody should have one. My writing book. Everybody should have one because everybody should have picked their packets up to get all their stuff, okay? If you do not have it, I want you to be a good listener so that way when we're done, you can take out your stuff and do it later, okay? Be a good listener for now if you do not have it, okay? 4 things: crayons, pencil, coloring book, your transportation coloring book, and your writing book, okay? And again, if you do not have it, be a good listener, okay? Perfect. All right. So I just want to talk to you about during this time. So during this time is we are reading, we are writing, okay? So we are writers, okay? And we are illustrators, okay? So during this time, we learn how to become those 2 things: great writers, great illustrators, and illustrators are the ones that draw the beautiful pictures that you see on books, okay? These are the beautiful pictures that illustrators draw in their stories, okay? The author is the person that wrote the book, okay? So that's what we're gonna be doing during this time, become good illustrators and writers, okay? But I just want to talk to you about the other day when we were in writing class. I heard something that kind of made me sad. Okay, made me kind of broke my heart. There's a little girl that just said, "Teacher, I don't know how to draw. I don't know how to be a writer." And I was so sad because everybody can be an illustrator. Everybody can draw things. And you know what? This secret is by this, okay? Listen very careful. Everybody can be an illustrator because being an illustrator is very simple. All we are doing is drawing shapes, sticks, and boxes. That's what drawing is all about. We're drawing just simple shapes. So if you go to a spot where you're like, "Teacher, I don't know how to draw this," do your best, because that's all I ever want is to do your best. And then just think about, how can I do this in a shape? Okay, how can I draw this in a box, a square, a circle, or sticks? Because that's what drawing is all about. It's just shapes and boxes and sticks. That's all we're drawing, okay? So I'm gonna have you listen to a book about a box, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so you can see the story. So I'm going to share my screen so everybody can hear this beautiful story. All right. And the story is called Not a Box. Not a Box. Okay. Not a box. And watch what happens in this story. Okay, here we go.
Not a Box by Antoinette Portis. Why are you sitting in a box? It's not a box. on top of that box. It's not a box. Why are you squirting a box? I said it's not a box. Now you're wearing a box? This is not a box. Are you still standing around in that box? It's not a box. Well, what is it then? It's my not a box.
So as everybody could see in the story, that it was not a box. It's everything that he put a box on, it became something different. It became a house on fire. It became a car. So today we're going to try to draw not a box. All right. So I'm going to draw a cat. Okay. Well, actually, I'm going to draw a dog using circles, sticks, and a box that's not going to be a box. Okay. So, or a rectangle, or a triangle, or a square. Okay, so I'm going to draw a dog. Here we go. So I'm going to draw a box that's going to become not a box. So there's my not a box. Okay, everybody can see that? That's my not a box. Okay, and now I'm going to draw my dog's feet. Okay, that's my dog's feet. And I'm going to draw a circle for my dog's head. And then just one little dot for my dog's eyes. And a little line, kind of like a curvy line for a smiley face in case my dog is happy. Then I'm going to do like an oval shape for its ears. Okay, and then I'm going to do another oval, long oval shaped for its tail. So this is not a box. This is my dog, and my dog, I always put a little arrow so everybody knows who that is. My dog's name is CB. So this is not a box. This is CB. Okay? Now let me show you a different example of what you can make of not a box. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and erase. Now I'm going to draw something that's not a box. Okay, there's my dog. Here's my box right there. Right? Now what can I draw to make it not a box? How about a house? I can do triangle shape. And then I'll go ahead and erase that part so you can see my roof. There we go. Not a box. Right there. And a triangle shape. How about a door? We'll do another, like a box, right? Or a rectangle shape. And that little dot for my door. How about my windows? We'll do a little couple squares. This drawing is all about shapes and circles and drawing boxes. It's that simple. Look at that. Okay? So today in writing, I want you to take out your writing books and I want you to draw not a box. Okay? Anything you want to draw that is not a box. You can draw anything with shapes. And you can start with a box and you can draw whatever you want. I'm going to go ahead and put on some music. You draw not a box, and then we will share with everybody our not a box picture because we are illustrators. Okay? I'm going to give you that time to do that now.